Are you tired of stripping individual wires, using special cables, or cable adapters and converters? We thought so. This is why Touché uses standard Cat5 cables to connect our devices. The use of Cat5 cable greatly simplifies the installation, startup, and if needed, troubleshooting of cable connections, which leads to increased productivity. Another benefit is being able to use pre-made factory patch cables, which Touché strongly recommends. By using patch cables, the normal frustration that comes along with using Cat5 cable, such as incorrect configuration, crossed wires, and nicked conductors, is eliminated. Productivity is also increased as you are not having to terminate, test, and probably re-terminate and test again. Connecting the devices together is simple as well. Here we have a connectivity diagram for both of our controllers, the Room Manager and the Smart Pack. As you can see, the devices connect to either controller using Cat5 cables in a daisy chain configuration. If additional devices need to be added, they can be connected to an existing device using a Cat5 cable, and you're done. If the room managers are needing to be networked for scheduling or third-party integration purposes, all you have to do is connect the Ethernet ports of each room manager together using Cat5 cable. The room managers have a built-in network interface card with 2 Ethernet ports, so no need for additional hubs or bridges. Each port also has a link and activity light which provides easy visual verification of network cabling.